Hello! Planning to move to the UK? This is wonderful. Welcome to UK for Expat series by Top Travel and Food. We'll walk you through all the essentials you need to know, from visas to costs and everything in between. Did you know the UK consists of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland? First things first, let's talk about visas. The most common visa for expats is the skilled worker visa. To qualify, you'll need a job offer from a UK employer who holds a valid sponsor license. Your job offer must meet specific skill and salary requirements, usually around £26,200 per year. Now, if you're planning on studying, you'll need a student visa. This requires an offer from a licensed educational institution and proof that you can support yourself financially. For most students, this means showing you have at least £1,334 per month for living expenses in London, or £1,023 if you're studying elsewhere in the UK. If you're thinking of joining family members in the UK, you'd go for a family visa. This covers partners, children, and even parents under certain conditions. You'll need to prove your relationship and might have to meet a minimum income requirement, often around £18,600 annually. There are also other types of visas you might consider. For entrepreneurs, the Innovator visa is an option. You need to have an innovative business idea endorsed by an approved body. The Investor visa is for those who can invest at least £2 million in the UK. The Global Talent visa is for leaders or potential leaders in academia, research, arts, and digital technology. Visa application fees vary. For a skilled worker visa, you're looking at around £610 to £1,000 depending on your circumstances. Student visas cost about £363, and family visas start at £1,538. Don't forget the immigration health surcharge, which is £624 per year for most visas. Next up, paperwork. Gather all your documents before you start your application. This includes your passport, proof of finances, and your certificate of sponsorship for a work visa. For students, you'll need your confirmation of acceptance for studies. And for family visas, you'll need proof of your relationship and your partner's income. In addition to the visa, there are several other important documents and paperwork you will need to move to the UK as a foreigner. These include a valid passport, proof of address in the UK, a national insurance number, and a bank account. Make sure to also have your educational and professional certificates, as well as any medical records that might be necessary. It's crucial to keep all these documents organised and readily accessible to ensure a smooth transition. Deadlines are super important. For most visas, apply at least 3 months before your intended travel date. Processing times can range from 3 weeks to several months, depending on the visa type. To start your application process, visit the official UK government website at gov.uk. Here, you can submit your application online. The average cost of living in the UK varies. In London, expect to spend around £1,500 to £2,000 per month on living expenses. Outside London, it can be significantly less, around £800 to £1,200 per month. And there you have it. Moving to the UK might seem daunting, but with the right information and preparation, you'll be on your way in no time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Cheers!